Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So by the looks of it, we're jumping right into the tutorial. So as you can see here guys, I'm just taking the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and as you can also see, I just like to take the tiniest wee bit of this because I already have concealer on my lids anyway from carving out my brows. And then for the eyeshadow palette I'm taking today, look at the state of that palette, oh my god. That's from my beauty blender. But this is the Alexis Stone palette, and this is in collaboration with Makeup Revolution. So we're obviously going to be doing a nice cool toned cut crease eyeshadow look today. So I'm going to be taking the medium dark shade, I think, the one up from the black, and I'm just going to be taking this just on a wee small pencil brush, and I'm going to be mapping out my shape. And then of course taking the shade up from that on a different brush, still keeping the brush kind of small so I can be a wee bit precise with my blending. I'm just going to be using this shade to blend this shadow out. And actually looking back, I really regret how I actually done this makeup look. I actually should have done the black first and then blended the black out with the grey shades, whereas as you can see here, I'm going into the black now, whereas like I should have done that first of all and then blended the black out with the grey shades. Does that make sense? It makes more sense to me now, but clearly not then. I blame it on the music. But yeah. So that's why I'm actually doing a voiceover today, guys. I do apologise, but I was just in the mood to sit down and play with makeup, but just listen to music. I just find it so therapeutic. Just not being at a rush and talking and having to explain what you're doing and just sticking the headphones in and just playing with makeup. I just find it so therapeutic. And then taking the P. Louise eyeshadow base again, and I'm going to be cutting the crease. So then using this wee brush, I like to kind of define it a wee bit more because the first brush I use is like a flat paddle-ish brush. Oh, and I also regret this as well. I should have took the outer cut crease area down a wee bit more. Damn it. Oh well. Yeah. I'm actually sitting here thinking, damn it. Shall I take it off and redo it again? Yeah, that's literally what I'm sitting thinking. Hilarious. But yeah, I didn't do that because I just could not be bothered. Screw that. So then I'm next up just going to take this water activated eyeliner, and as you can see it's in the shade White Grape, but this is just like a wee UV eyeliner, and this was actually sent to me by Jenna Tutorials. She has a wee brand and she has an Instagram, so I will actually put her Instagram down below if you want to go and check her out and her brand. She is honestly absolutely amazing at makeup, and she gifted me her wee liners, and I'm so excited to try all the pastel colours because they look absolutely gorgeous, but I just definitely wanted to try the white in this tutorial here, and it worked so well. It was really nicely pigmented. It was really easy to use. So it was just all around a nice wee product. And then as you've seen there, I'm doing a nice black wing with the Il Maquillage black liner. So guys, next up for the skin, I'm going to be going and priming first of all. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Glass Liquid Skin, and usually I do apply this with the fingers, but I've recently been applying it with a brush and I've actually really been enjoying it. I honestly do not know why. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Boom, foundation. So I'm next up going to be using the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and do you know something? I honestly have no idea what shade this is. Please be warned now. Yes, I am aware. Oh my god. I honestly don't know whether this foundation is like out of date or expired or something, but this is the shade that I always used to wear, guys, and I can swear that it was never this dark. What even? But nonetheless, the shade, yes, I am aware. I'm actually looking here to see what shade it is because I was just like, what the hell's going on? But yeah, I do lighten it up here with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Absolutely love the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the hydrating one now, whereas the other one is a wee bit too drying, but the hydrating one is absolutely amazing. It's such a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, and I think it's only a £5, which is... it's absolutely amazing. It's so good. It's actually the concealer I've been using in nearly all of my tutorials recently. so good. And then to cream bronze, as per usual, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F13. And then of course just setting my skin, and I'm just going to be setting mainly my T-zone and like my under eyes, chin, smile lines, forehead, nose. And then setting. I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And then next up I'm going to be using the Cheerleaders palette from Benefit, and I actually thought this would be really handy just to use this because it has a contour, bronzer, highlight and a blush in it. So first of all I'm going to be taking Cookie, and I actually forgot how amazing this highlighter was. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is so beautifully intense and it just, oh, it's amazing. And then for blush, this is Gold Rush, also from Benefit obviously. Again, really nice blusher actually, although I was not aware that it actually came with like an overspray, whereas once you actually get through it, the overspray kind of disappears, but it's still a really nice wee colour nonetheless. And then I kind of took a bit of a gamble here. I'm going in with Hoola, which I have to say I'm not a big fan of Hoola at all, but it actually worked out not too bad, and I'm also using that to contour my nose. I never contour my nose on camera, guys, because I just haven't really got a clue what I'm doing. I'm not that fussy, honestly. I'm really not. Because I know like some people can take like their nose contour really seriously, but I just do whatever. Honestly, I'm not fussy at all. But yeah. Oh, we're still contouring the nose, are we? Okay. That's great. Oh yay, for the first time I've actually included doing my lower lash line. So here guys, I'm actually applying the black straight to my lower lash line, quite tight to the lower lash line. How many times can I say lower lash line? And then I'm actually going in with the rest of those wee grey tone shades just to blend that out, and that's basically what I'm doing. Nothing too exciting, of course. And then I'm also taking a wee flat eyeliner brush and going into the black again. I honestly am not too sure about this. Really not too sure about this. You can let me know down below in the comment section if you liked it the way it was, or if you liked this wee bit of detail. I honestly am not that experienced in doing things like that on the eyes, so I don't know what I was doing. But I thought it was nice whenever everything all came together. So next up for lips, of course, Christmas tutorial had to do a red lip, so this is the W7 lip liner in the shade red. And for my liquid lips, I went in with the Il Makiage liquid lipstick, and I think this was actually the first time I used this, and I was really impressed actually. It was actually amazing. So it was so nice, very comfortable formula and beautiful colour. And then I'm going on with the lip gloss from Technique, and it's actually luminous. It is a luminous hot pink, and I thought it actually went really well. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you all so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next one.